Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is French Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna talk about two items which Mivi has recently sent out. The one on the left is called the Mivi Collar Classic. It is a pair of wireless Bluetooth neckband earphone, and the one on the right is called the Mivi Rock and Roll E5. This is a pair of wired earphones which cost just 399 rupees. So let's just start. We're gonna first unbox these and then I'm gonna check them out individually. So let's start with the Mivi Collar Classic. So as you can see, this is standard Mivi packaging with the picture of the earphone at the front and some more details. And when you turn it to the back, you can see there are some more features which are listed here. So you can pause the video and just read them out. Some major things are like fast charging. So it can charge within 40 minutes from 0 to 100. That is exceptionally well. And yeah, it is made in India. It is splash and dust proof. And it has like solid base drivers. We're gonna check them out. Yeah, these were a few things. So I've got this in the red color obviously, but this comes in a lot of other colors also. So you can check Flipkart. So this is sold via Flipkart. You can check there. There are a lot of other colors available. So let's quickly open the box up and see what we get inside. Opening the box up, we get a few documentations including the warranty document and all that stuff. And after that we have the earphone in red. Let's take it out and keep it to the side. And apart from the earphone, we have a few extra ear tips and a micro USB cable to charge it. Yes, we still have micro USB on this to charge. Now let's quickly talk about this particular earphone. So this is a Bluetooth earphone. As you can see, it is a neckband earphone. It comes with the in-ear design, so the ear tips are angled at 45 degree, but for some reason, I don't know, I had a really hard time fitting it in my left ear. Maybe it's just an issue with me, but yeah. Apart from that, this is a great earphone. The build quality is pretty good considering the price. By the way, this is sold for 999 rupees, which is pretty great. The build quality is pretty nice. You have magnetic ear tips, so the ear tips can stick together and like stay there. Although the magnets are not that strong and they do anything else apart from this, but yeah, it is there. And this comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and you have a few physical buttons, including the multifunctional button, and then there's the volume up and volume down, which you can also use to skip the music, which is pretty nice. And yeah, the battery life is quite amazing, to be honest. So I charged it the day I got it straight to 100%, and it's still running like at 70%, and it's been more than a week and I've used it every day for like 2 hours at least. So yeah, the battery life is simply amazing on this one. And the best thing about this particular earphone is the audio quality. These earphones sound amazing. They have adequate amount of bass, the audio is very clear, the lyrics are very clear, and overall I would say these are some amazingly good sounding earphones for the price. So yeah, you can check them out. I'll leave the link down in the description. Do visit that if you think of purchasing it. Alright, so the next device we're gonna talk about is the Mivi Rock and Roll E5. This is a pair of wired earphones. It's been a long time since I've checked one out because my phone doesn't have a earphone jack, but yeah, this is a pair of wired earphones, and I got the black color. There are a lot of other colors, but yeah, I got the black color, and this one looks like the Realme earbuds, somewhat looks like the Realme earbuds, the color at least, with the black and the yellow accents here and there. Alright, so the packaging is pretty standard. You have like back ergonomics, snug fit and all that, SD sound, bass. Let's just quickly open this box up. This retails for about 399 rupees on Amazon. So yeah, the link will be down in the description. You can check it out if you want to. Okay, so quickly opening the box up, we have a slit here in which we get the earphones and some extra earbuds, and there is a warranty card. Alright, nothing apart from that. Let's just quickly take the earphones out. And first impressions, the build quality seems amazing. This has a like braided cable on the bottom, and yeah, the quality of the materials used is pretty good in this one. You have an inline mic with a button which you can use for other things also, like skipping tracks and stuff. And yeah, you have a L-shaped connector, 3.5mm connector. It is not gold plated, but yeah, it is an L-shaped one, which is convenient. And you can see the yellow accents here and there, which looks pretty good. The earphones are in-ear types, and they are also angled at 45 degrees, so it fits really well in your ear. I had no problem fitting this one in my ear I had in the previous one, but yeah, this one fits really well, and it is overall a great earphone in terms of build quality. Now if we talk about sound quality, I would straight away say that you can't get any better than this under 400 rupees. These are the best sounding earphones under 400 rupees, or maybe even 500 rupees for that matter. I have another pair of in-ear earphones right now, which are the JBL C200 SIs. So they are simply amazing. If I connect it to my like audio interface, and the audio is just out of the world. But yeah, these come pretty close. You have adequate amount of bass and the clarity is present there in the audio, and to be honest, it sounds great. I tested it with my iPad and yeah, it sounded simply amazing. So yeah, two choices, two different price points. One is a wired earphone, one is a Bluetooth earphone. So whichever you like, you can select it. Both links will be down in the description. Do visit those, it helps the channel. And yeah, with that said, that's about it for the video. Do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more content like this. And yeah, I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.